Welcome. In this video I will tell you if LG Gram 16 is a good laptop. This laptop can be considered good for people who prioritize portability, battery life, productivity. This model specifically features a lightweight design around 1 kilogram, which I guess the name of the model stands for, and a 16-inch high-resolution IPS display with actually pretty good color accuracy and a strong Intel Core i7 processor of the 13th generation. The laptop offers excellent battery life, capable of lasting over 15 hours in typical productivity tasks and up to 20 hours in media playback, which rivals even top ultrabooks like MacBook Air. Though I think this laptop wins mostly in its price, and its port selection is great. Let's take a look at the ports on this laptop. On the right edge of the laptop we have two USB type A ports. One of them is occupied right now. We have a port to a dock station. We have the SD card slot, and on the left edge of the computer we have the mini jack. We have two USB type C ports. Both can be used, and one of them should be used for charging, and also an HDMI slot. So basically the basic set of the ports plus SD card, which is not very common in modern laptops, but I think it's actually useful and great, and I'm happy that this model has it. And also reviews. The advantages of this laptop, which are commonly used in reviews, include the keyboard, the spacious keyboard, and a spacious touchpad. Actually, the touchpad size is amazing on this laptop. The keyboard has backlight, which is great for ultrabooks. Which is great for a laptop like this, and also the big advantage that is mentioned in the reviews mostly is its heat distribution. This laptop remains quiet and cool most of the time, and generally speaking, that's all I think I have to say about it. Speaking of advantages, there are many of them, but I think I mentioned them all. This laptop is has a good display, has a good keyboard, good touchpad, has a good set amount of ports, and it's pretty reliable. It has a reliable battery. Now, talking about downsides, is that these models sometimes face build quality issues such as minor chassis flags or screen warping. Although newer models of this laptop have improved robustness, and overall it's generally one of the best ultra portables in its class for general productivity, media consumption, and light content creation. So summarizing all I've said in this video, this is a very good ultra light laptop with excellent battery life, solid performance, and a premium display, which makes it an excellent choice for students, professionals, and anyone needing a portable capable machine. So I hope that this video helps you decide on a laptop. Thank you for watching it. If you liked it, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.